To sleep with different people is not good. To sleep with a person is very spiritual, because sometimes you can sleep with a person, now you have got a bond with that person, or you are carrying different spirits. Other people, they have got bad lucks when it comes to money. So sometimes, guys, don't sleep with different people, especially when you have got businesses. Other people, they sleep with other people, and now they don't have jobs until now, because you are carrying different spirits, bad spirits. Sometimes, guys, you have to be careful sometimes, because, guys, now your business is not going good since you sleep with that person. Now your business is not running, because especially you are working with people, with different people. So sometimes be careful, especially when you are a business person, you are sleeping with different people. Sometimes money start running away. Sometimes it's very spiritual to sleep with other people, because other people, they've got bad lucks, maybe in their families, what they've got bad lucks, and you are sleeping with that person. Since, guys, you sleep with a person, sometimes you are connecting a spirit. Sometimes you can be connected with that person. You know that sometimes, guys, you are not in serious relationship sometimes, but since you sleep with that person, your spirit wants you are still thinking about that person. So it's very spiritual to sleep with a person, and your business is not going good now, because you are carrying that spirit of that person. So sometimes, guys, be careful when you are doing your things sometimes, because you are destroying your own future, you are destroying your own businesses, especially those people who have got businesses. You start, so maybe your business is not good, or now you don't have a job, you are being fired at work since you sleep with that person. So sometimes, guys, be careful sometimes to sleep with different people. Yes, it's good to sleep with different women, and those women, guys, sometimes maybe they are sleep with other different men out there. So sometimes, guys, be careful sometimes when you want to achieve in life. Other people, they don't have jobs until now, because of the people they are sleeping with. So sometimes you have to go and seek some help. Now, even maybe sometimes you are complaining your things are not going good, or what, because of that person you are sleeping with. Since you sleep with that woman or with that man, your business is not running good, because other people, guys, you've got bad lucks when it comes to money. They have got bad luck, and or since you sleep with that person, you carry some, there is some of the spirit. Guys, to sleep with a person, it's very spiritual sometimes.